Assalamu alaikum. This is my new Chromecast. This is the Chromecast 2. Google have launched the last year. So I just open it and check it, the new Chromecast. Really unique packing. It's fixed it. So here's getting started. The preview plug into power and TV setup. So yeah, so I'm excited to open my new Chromecast. Good, in black color. This is very small, thin, smart, unique look. And it's really beautiful. So what's in other inbox? Have HDMI cable, not HDMI cable, just in charging. Yes, this one HDMI connector. Is so unique design, lightweight, charger and other box. So this is my new Chromecast 2. Thank you guys. Bye bye.